Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Hello everyone, welcome back to English through Book Ideas.
Hi everyone! Today we are learning a very important English phrase. Nice to meet you.
This phrase is simple but very powerful.
Yes, you can use it when you meet someone for the first time.
Maybe you meet a new classmate.
Maybe you meet a new coworker.
Maybe you meet your friend's friend.
Or maybe you meet someone in an interview, a meeting, or an event.
In all of these situations, you can say, "Nice to meet you."
And today, we will help you say it naturally and confidently. David, I have a question.
Sure, Julia. What is it?
Sometimes I meet someone new and I don't know what to say.
That is very common.
I feel nervous. I want to be polite, but my mind goes blank.
That happens to many English learners.
I might say only hello and then stop.
That is okay, but you can sound more natural by adding one simple phrase.
Is it nice to meet you?
Exactly. Nice to meet you is one of the best phrases for meeting someone for the first time.
So if I can say this phrase well, I can start conversations more easily?
Yes, it helps you sound friendly, polite, and confident.
Today's speaking goal is simple.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to greet someone you meet for the first time.
You will learn how to say, "Nice to meet you."
You will learn how to respond when someone says it to you.
You will also learn a few similar phrases.
And we will practice together.
So don't just listen, speak with us.
Yes, repeat the sentences out loud.
The more you practice, the more natural you will sound. Our main phrase today is, "Nice to meet you."
Let's say it slowly. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Again, nice to meet you.
Good. Now a little faster. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
In natural speaking, it may sound like, "Nice to meet ya."
Nice to meet ya.
But for learners, it is okay to say it clearly, "Nice to meet you."
This phrase is polite and friendly.
It means, "I am happy to meet you."
You usually say it when you meet someone for the first time.
For example, if I meet you for the first time, I can say, "Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you."
And I can say, "Hi, I'm Julia. Nice to meet you too."
Let's listen to a short dialogue.
In this dialogue, David and Julia meet for the first time.
Ready? Let's begin. Hi, I'm David.
Hello, David. I'm Julia.
Nice to meet you, Julia.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Are you new in this class?
Yes, I am. It's my first day.
Welcome. I hope you enjoy the class.
Thank you. I'm excited to learn.
Great. That was a simple and natural conversation.
Yes, it was not difficult.
Let's look at the key parts.
First, David says, "Hi, I'm David."
This is a simple way to introduce yourself.
Then I say, "Hello, David. I'm Julia."
Then I say, "Nice to meet you, Julia."
And I respond, "Nice to meet you too, David."
The word "to" means also.
So, nice to meet you too means I am also happy to meet you.
Now, let's break down the phrase.
The phrase is, nice to meet you.
Nice means good, pleasant, or enjoyable.
To meet means to see and speak to someone for the first time.
You means the person you are speaking to.
So, nice to meet you means it is nice to meet you.
In full grammar, the complete sentence is, "It is nice to meet you."
But in daily conversation, we usually shorten it.
We just say, "Nice to meet you."
It sounds natural and friendly.
You can use it after you introduce yourself.
For example, "Hi, I'm Julia. Nice to meet you."
Or, "Hello, my name is David. Nice to meet you."
Both are correct.
Now, what should you say when someone says, "Nice to meet you"?
The most common response is, "Nice to meet you too."
Let's practice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good. Another natural response is, "You too."
For example,
Nice to meet you.
You too.
This is shorter and casual.
But for beginners, I recommend saying the full sentence first.
Yes, nice to meet you too is clear and polite.
You can also say, it's nice to meet you too.
That sounds a little more complete.
Let's practice 3 responses.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Let's look at more examples in real-life situations.
Example 1, at work.
Hi, I'm David from the marketing team.
Hello, I'm Julia from the design team.
Nice to meet you, Julia.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Example 2, at school.
This is useful when you meet a new classmate.
Hi, my name is David. Are you in this English class too?
Yes, I am. I'm Julia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Example 3, in an online meeting.
This is very useful for work calls or online classes.
Hello, everyone. I'm David.
Hi, David. I'm Julia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Julia.
These examples are simple but very practical.
Yes, you can use them in real life. There are a few similar phrases you can also use.
The first one is good to meet you.
Good to meet you is friendly and natural.
For example,
Hi, I'm David. Good to meet you.
hi, I'm Julia. Good to meet you too.
Another phrase is great to meet you.
This sounds a little more excited.
For example, I've heard a lot about your work. Great to meet you.
Great to meet you too.
Another phrase is pleased to meet you.
This sounds more formal.
You may hear it in business or formal situations.
For example,
Good morning. I'm David Brown. Pleased to meet you.
pleased to meet you too.
But remember, the best phrase for everyday English is nice to meet you.
Yes, it is simple, polite, and very common.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, saying nice to meet you when you already know the person.
Good point. Nice to meet you is usually for the first meeting.
If you already know the person, you can say nice to see you.
For example, if Julia and I already know each other, I should not say nice to meet you.
Right, you should say nice to see you.
So remember, first time, nice to meet you.
Second time or later, nice to see you.
Mistake number 2, forgetting to in the response.
If someone says nice to meet you, you can respond nice to meet you too.
Do not only repeat nice to meet you again and again.
It is not terrible, but nice to meet you too sounds more natural.
Mistake number 3, saying nice to meet with you.
This is not natural for introductions.
Say nice to meet you.
Not nice to meet with you.
Correct, nice to meet you.
Incorrect, nice to meet with you.
Mistake number 4, speaking too quietly.
Many learners know the phrase, but they say it too softly.
Say it with a smile and clear voice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Now it's time for a mini practice challenge.
We will give you a situation.
You should answer out loud.
Don't be shy. Speaking practice is very important.
Situation 1. I meet you for the first time. I say, hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Now you respond.
3, 2, 1.
Great! You can say, nice to meet you too.
Situation 2. You meet Julia in an English class. Introduce yourself and say the phrase.
You can say, hi, I'm, and then your name, then say, nice to meet you.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Excellent!
Situation 3. You are in an online meeting. You meet a new coworker.
Say, hello, I'm, and then your name. Nice to meet you.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Very good.
Let's practice one more short dialogue. Repeat after us.
Hi, I'm Julia.
Hi, I'm David.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Great job.
Let's review what we learned today.
Number 1, nice to meet you is used when you meet someone for the first time.
Number 2, it means I am happy to meet you.
Number 3, a good response is nice to meet you too.
Number 4, you can also say good to meet you, great to meet you, or pleased to meet you.
Number 5. Do not say, nice to meet you, for someone you already know.
For someone you already know, say, nice to see you.
Let's say the main phrase one more time.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Again, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Great job today. Now you can use nice to meet you when you meet someone for the first time.
Try to use it today. Practice with a friend, classmate, coworker, or even in front of a mirror.
Small phrases can make your English sound more natural.
And the more you practice, the more confident you become.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
Subscribe to English Through Book Ideas for more simple and practical English lessons.
Write one sentence in the comments using nice to meet you.
For example, hi, I'm Julia. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.